What's up everybody, Chris here from Bolt Canyon Outdoors, and today we're going to be installing a 23Zero awning on Michelle's Taco. So let's take a look and see what we've got. So here's Michelle's rig. It's a 2017 Tacoma TRD off-road. She's got a rack up on top of it, which is where the 23Zero awning is going to mount. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. You'll have to bear with the shadows and the light. We had to get up really early this morning to put this on because it's going to be 100 degrees in about an hour. So here's what we've got. We've got the awning itself, a couple of very burly mounting brackets, all the hardware, the stakes, the tie downs. It's a very comprehensive kit. So let's get started and see what we can do. All right, so the first step is to mount the mounting brackets to the awning itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this little Velcro cover here. Take out this cardboard. You'll see there's two little rubber stoppers here. Those need to pop out. Once you get the rubber stopper out, you can slide in the mounting bolts. Now it's going to take two on the top and two on the bottom because the mounting brackets will mount like this. Next up, we want to mock up the supports. So we found having this direction with this being up and this being down is the best way to mount it for the Tacoma, so you can actually open the doors when you're using the awning. Now we will still have about an inch of play to work with because it does have two mounting holes right here. So I'm going to mock both of these up, then we're going to take it over, set it on the side of the truck, take some measurements and get these adjusted to the right point. With the brackets snug down and an approximate measurement made, we're ready to set this on top and see how close we are. All right, you want to support that side? I'm wondering, because it's at such an angle, if we drop this one down to the lower setting.
Okay.
Because that looks like it's at an angle, right?
Yeah, well, and yeah. And this rack is angled.
Okay,
so,
perfect.
Yeah.
So let's do that.
Okay.
When we set it up for test fitment, we notice that the rack has a slight bit of a forward downward angle. So we're going to take this bracket and we're going to drop it to its lower setting. So this is going to go right there. So we'll grab some washers, put them underneath for a little extra support.
Open the sunroof.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that's the way it was.
All right.
That sounded good.
Yep, go ahead and let go. Okay. Woo. All right, so that side's in. Now I can make an adjustment on this side, pull this bracket in a little bit, and we'll bolt it down. Okay. That bad boy's gonna go right there. I might have just become one with your truck. There's that. Yep, need that in this hand. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Got it. Okay.
Okay.
So now we're gonna get these tightened down. We'll see how it looks. With everything tightened down and adjusted, it is installed and we're ready to open this thing up. All right, so let's get it opened up. So what we're going to want to do is unzip it. And then it's all fastened in with Velcro here. So we'll undo those two straps. And then the front side comes out first. Followed by the rear side. We're on a hill, so it wants to close on me. Now we'll attach the straps and we'll strap it down. Now I'm just strapping it in temporarily. Depending on your vehicle, this will either reattach to a rack or to your bumper, your wheel well, anything like that. Both the straps are fully adjustable with nice little cam locks. I can put a ton more tension on it. Just trying to be gentle for the first time opening. There we go. All right, and there it is opened up. So being opened like this, it stands on its own, which is great for days with a light breeze or no breeze at all. But if you do have a breeze, it does have provisions for that. You have adjustable legs that drop down. In 2 spots. And then of course, it comes with a full set of tie downs and stakes to hold it in place. So there you have it. That is the 23Zero Peregrine 180R awning installed on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Right on the roof rack, quick and easy install. And it's going to provide lots of shade and a nice overhang for camping, hanging out, cooking, sitting around with friends, whatever you need. It's a great little setup. It's lightweight. It's easy to use. Now we're going to fold it back in to show you how that's done, and we're all set. Now folding it back together, there's a little trick to it. And I'll show you how you do it. First we'll put the leg up here, Velcro it back in its spot, and then I'll disconnect the 2 cam straps. Morning. And what you want to do is go in the reverse order of setting it up. So we're going to pull the rear 2 together. Now make sure these flaps are pulled down in a triangle like this, because one will sit right on top of each other. So this is going to push in like so. Next, you take the front-facing one, same thing, pull these down and do a triangle the best you can, just to keep everything nice and secure. Then you take the triangle in the front, we're going to roll it up. Just like that. You take the triangle in the rear and roll it up the opposite direction. That way you've got both of them right against the braces. Get your Velcro straps done. Flop your cover over. And zip it up. Now I always recommend putting both zippers at the rear. That way the wind isn't going to blow them open and it keeps all the elements out all the way in the front and all the way back. So there it is. There's the 23Zero Peregrine 180R awning on the 2017 Tacoma. Hope you enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first one to know when we have cool installs, awesome runs, all kinds of stuff coming from Bold Canyon Outdoors. So for Bold Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.